Fair rescue helicopter details. Ready for takeoff. This helicopter has auto hover. One key, return. Very stable, wind resistant. So I always fly it like a kite. So get when you watch. Just watch it like a kite. Better than a kite. No strings attached. Can take off without wind. And it's not picky about location. And it looks good. Sounds good too. Flying planes was my childhood dream. Turning left. Lowering altitude. Now the helicopter is auto-hovering. I'm not controlling it. Around the plane 360 degrees. Let's admire it from all angles. The look of this plane. The plane turns left. It lands like this. Do you like kites like this?